Yes, in this video we shall see what are hooks and why hooks are used and how to use these hooks and where we should use these hooks and also different types of hooks. Let's see. So hooks are nothing but it is introduced after 16 React 16.8. So hooks are introduced to overcome the issues related to the before using the functional component we were using the class component. In that class component there were state props can be used, but there were issue and also the lifecycle methods, but in functional component we can't use any lifecycle methods, state, all those things. So to overcome that issue, these people has introduced the hooks. The concept of hook is nothing but it will update the state. We can use the state, also apply the life cycle methods in the functional component. So the hooks are introduced. And one more thing, the hooks can only be used in the functional component, can only be used in the functional component. Okay. So some of the rules in the hooks we need to apply is always use the hook before applying. For example, if we are using the use state hook, uh, sorry, one second, use state hook, we should always write at the top of the functional component. And also the user state, whenever for importing we have to write at the top, and also when applying we should use after, just after the arrow function. So for example, let's start with the hooks, that is use state hooks. Let's take it as use state hook. Let's write the functional component. So import the react from the react. First use state hook. Let's write the name as use state hook. Okay, use state hook. This is the arrow function, return like this. Then comes hello world, okay. Then comes export default use state hook. Okay, this is the basic functional component. So let's before this one, let's import this one in our app.js. Let us import at our app.js. Let's undo everything and comment everything. So as you can see, navbar and footer is there. State hook. Let's import this use state hook in our app.js. Let's see hello what is coming. Yes, okay, fine. Now format the document. Okay, let's go to the use state hook. See, whenever we are importing, let's take one example, that is just we wanted to create a color, and on click it should get the color should get changed. We shall write such a function. So you can see now use state use state hook, use state, just enter this one, color is okay. First color should be, let's take a string. Okay, so as you can see, I have imported the use state hook here at the top, And just after writing this arrow function, before return we have to always use this use state hooks in the top level. Top level means just below this one. Okay, these are the two conditions you must follow. So hello world, my favorite color is example. Let's take it example as orange or green, anything. After then we can write, see now, my favorite color is orange. Yes. What does it indicates? Use state is nothing but it is used to store the initial. It act like a variable. The first color is nothing correspond to this one. It will store this orange color. This is nothing but the updated state. This contains the updated state. So I will show you. Click here. On click, I want to update the state. Set color is equals to, let's take a function. Set state color will be equals to green. So as you can see now, we are, let's take little space line break. Line, let's take a line break. That's one. Line break. On click, it should be green. See, the my favorite color is orange. Whenever I click on here, the state is getting updated. This is becoming green. This is nothing but the user state. Okay, so we shall see the one more example in the next video.